Jack Kelly yn annog. Ffwmpa Mwandwe I lawr yr asgell. Scott Hancock sy'n siŵr rhwystro'r croesiad. Mwandwe'n gwneud yn dda I groesi. A Turner yn troi'r bêl yn erbyn y trawst a Nick Ruston yn methu adweithio digon sydyn I droi honna I gefn yr hwyd. Gwaith da gan Mwandwe. Bron I Turner wneud smonach o honna. Corey Shepherd digon o le yng nghanol cae. Amser I godi ben, a gweld yr hediad gan Cameron Keach. Keach yn ei thynnu hi'n ôl. Kieran Lewis! Yn rhoi Hwlffordd ar y blaen wedi 23 o funudau. Gôl gynta'r tymor I Kieran Lewis. Pas wych gan Shepherd. Keach yn ddeallus yn ei thynnu hi'n ôl. A'r gwiriad yn rhoi Hwlffordd ar y blaen. Jazz, Richards ar tafliad, cyffyrddiad da gan Lewis. Shepherd, y bas yna'n annog Keach i'w tharo hi, a dyna ma'n I wneud! Am gôl gan Cameron Keach! Y bas, di'w ffwyso'n berffaith gan Shepherd. Keach I ben I lawr I droed o'r bêl, am gôl. Davies yn ysgeilus, Shepherd, y bas sydyn dros ben yr amddiffyn, Marcus Griffiths yn yr eiliadau olas, na drydedd I Hwlffordd, Griffiths heibio'r golwr. Ac mae'n dair i'r ymwelwyr. Corey Shepherd yn ei chanol I unwaith eto, pas hyfryd dros yr amddiffyn. Marcus Griffiths yn gwneud y gweddill, a mae'n edrych fel bod y ras am y 6 ucha am fynd yr holl ffordd i'r penwythnos ola.
Yeah, I thought, obviously to come up here and win 3-0, there's not many teams who do that. I thought we started really sloppy. First quarter of an hour we were poor, and we changed it again then tactically a little bit after 20 minutes, and we grew into the game, got stronger and stronger, and obviously took our chances well, which maybe on other days we haven't done, but credit to the lads, we kept going, and obviously I felt towards the end we were much the stronger team.
The goals we've conceded, the first ones, they've split us and they played it in behind. It's just a couple of deflections got in. The second one's a great goal, and the third one, obviously, we're on the counter-attack. So, we're disappointed with those, with how we've conceded the goals as well. But, yeah, I think they've had, 4 shots and 3 goals today. So give them credit. We probably had numerous opportunities and numerous half chances and numerous opportunities to put good balls in the box, and we frustrated. And we've let ourselves down today in that element in the last third, and that's the frustrating part because we're a lot better than what we've shown today, especially in the last third.
Yeah, like you said, for us, we put a 9-point gap on Newtown now, which is very big going into the split. Big game next Friday, Penabont, all to play for. It depends on where we're going to be and what sort of standard of football we'll be playing in the second half, whether you're playing the top big boys or the lower guys. So, very big game next Friday. We'll prepare well as we do this week. And yeah, bring it on.